Sanity! Attention! Good morning to one and all. My name is Pratisha Khatri. We are the students of Cariappa House going to present today's assembly. Sanity! Attention! It's time to start the day by taking blessings from God. Join your hands, close your eyes, bow your heads and start the prayer. School, sanity, attention. Now I would like to call Bhaskar for school pledge. Take yourself fully. India is my country. India is my country. And all Indians are. And all Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Proud of it. Rich and very helpful. Very helpful. I shall always. I shall always. Try to be. Worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. I shall give my parents. Teachers. Knowledge. And teach everyone. Because see. To my country. To my country. And my people. And my people. I pledge my devotion. Indian country. Indian country. And prosperity alone. Lies my happiness. Lies my happiness. My two friends are waiting for thoughts. I would like to call Itali and Sarthak for thoughts.
Give command.
Good morning everyone. My name is Cariappa. I study in class 3rd. My thought of the day is practice like you never won, perform like you never lost. I repeat my thought, practice like you never won, perform like you never lost. Thank you. Over to Pratisha. Good morning everyone. My name is Sarthak and I am going to present thought. My thought of the day is the road to success is always under the construction. Thank you. Have a cheerful day. Over to Pratisha. School, sanities. Attention. Sanities. I would like to call Kanish. He will tell you something about solar system. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. I am Guruswami. Me from class 3rd. I will give a presentation on our solar system. Our solar system has 8 planets. All planets revolve around the sun. Now let us take a short look on each planet. This is Mercury. Mercury is hot but not too hot for ice. The closest planet to the sun has ice on its surface. This is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus does not have any moon. This is Earth. Earth is our home. Most of its surface is covered with water. So from space the Earth looks blue. It is also called the blue planet. This is Mars. Mars is a red planet. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. This is Saturn. Saturn is the king of moons. This is Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system. Uranus is more stormy than we thought. This is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet in our solar system. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good.
Over to participants. Today is Divyanshi's birthday, so let's sing birthday song for her. Good morning to respected going to ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Cariappa. I study in class 5th. My father's name is Mr. Dharmendra Singh Bhatyai. My mother's name is Mrs. Soni Bhatyai. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite vegetables are potato and cauliflower. My favorite colors are pink, yellow and red. And I want to become an army officer.
पहले मैं सोचा करता था नहीं शून्य का कुछ भी मतलब, लेकिन इसमें कितनी ताकत इसको जान गया हूँ मैं अब। अगर एक के साथ शून्य हो तो पूरे 10 बन जाएंगे, 10 के साथ लगाओगे यदि तो पूरे 100 कहलाएंगे। फिर तो सभी एक शून्य हो तो हजार यहाँ बन जाते हैं। एक शून्य यदि और यहाँ हो तो हजार फिर कहलाते हैं। कुछ भी नहीं समझते जिनको साथ बैठा उनको देखोगे, 10 खुली शक्ति अपने में निश्चय बड़ी ही पाओगे।
Moral of the poem is never underestimate anyone. Everyone is unique. Standards. Attention. I hope you like our assembly. Now it's time for your feedback. Class first ABC. Roll number 8.
Assembly was excellent.
Assembly was nice.
Assembly was good.